Today, we will practice useful English while exploring Matsushima in Miyagi.
This lesson is perfect for enjoying beautiful islands, local food, and travel English together.
We will visit famous temples, cruise around the bay, enjoy seafood, and relax at an inn.
Matsushima is known as one of the 3 most scenic places in Japan.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English in the beautiful scenery of Matsushima Bay. We finally arrived at Matsushima-Kaigan Station.
I have always wanted to visit Matsushima.
The air feels fresh, and the town already looks charming.
How do I say zutto kitakatta in English?
You can say, I have always wanted to visit.
I have always wanted to visit.
Perfect. That phrase is very useful for travel conversations.
I can already see pine trees and the sea from here.
Yes, Matsushima has a calm and elegant atmosphere.
I think today will be a wonderful day.
Let's start by walking toward the bay.
Great! I am ready to explore Matsushima. This red bridge and small hall look beautiful.
This is Godaido, one of the famous symbols of Matsushima.
How do I say iki wo nomu keshiki in English?
You can say, a breathtaking view.
It is a breathtaking view.
Excellent. That phrase is perfect for scenic places like this.
I like the quiet sound of the water under the bridge.
And the islands in the bay make the view even more special.
This place feels small, but very memorable.
Many visitors stop here first to enjoy the view.
I am glad we came here in the morning light.
Now, let's walk to Zuiganji Temple. The cedar trees and stone path feel very peaceful.
Zuiganji has a very dignified atmosphere.
How do I say ochitsuita funiki in English?
You can say a peaceful atmosphere.
It has a peaceful atmosphere.
Very good. That is a useful phrase at temples and gardens.
I also like the quiet sound of our footsteps here.
The history of this temple makes the visit feel meaningful.
It is a nice place to slow down and breathe deeply.
I feel very calm when I walk under these tall trees.
Let's enjoy this atmosphere for a moment longer.
After that, we can head toward the long bridge. That red bridge looks exciting to cross.
This is Fukuurabashi, the bridge to Fukuurajima Island.
How do I say watate mitai in English?
You can say, I would like to cross it.
I would like to cross it.
Perfect. That sounds natural and polite.
The view of the bay from the bridge is wonderful.
Yes, and the water below looks very clear.
I can see many small islands in every direction.
That is one of the special charms of Matsushima.
This walk feels both relaxing and adventurous.
Next, let's enjoy the bay from a sightseeing boat. The boat ride gives us a completely different view.
There are so many islands scattered across the bay.
How do I say Takusan no Shimajima in English?
You can say many islands.
There are many islands.
Great. That phrase is simple and easy to remember.
The sea breeze feels cool and refreshing.
I like watching the shapes of the pine-covered islands.
Some islands look tiny and others look dramatic.
This cruise really helps me understand why Matsushima is so famous.
I could stay here and watch the scenery for a long time.
After the boat ride, I am ready for lunch. Everything looks delicious at this restaurant.
Matsushima is famous for fresh seafood and oysters.
How do I say osusume wa nan desu ka in English?
You can say, "What do you recommend?"
What do you recommend?
Excellent. You can use that phrase in any restaurant.
I think I want to try grilled oysters.
That sounds great. I will order a seafood bowl.
The view of the bay makes the meal even better.
Fresh, local food is one of the best parts of traveling.
I am glad we chose this place for lunch.
After lunch, let's walk around the bay and shops. This street is full of nice shops and local snacks.
I like the relaxed atmosphere by the water.
How do I say "nonbiri shita funiki" in English?
You can say a relaxing atmosphere.
It has a relaxing atmosphere.
Very good. That phrase fits this town perfectly.
I want to buy a small souvenir before we leave.
I also want to try one more oyster snack.
There is something enjoyable around every corner here.
The combination of sea, shops, and islands is very charming.
I think Matsushima is both elegant and friendly.
Next, let's go up to a viewpoint and see the bay from above. Wow, the view from here is incredible.
From this viewpoint, we can see the islands spread across the whole bay.
How do I say Saiko no keshiki in English?
You can say, "An amazing view."
It is an amazing view.
Perfect. That is one of the most useful travel phrases.
The islands look like floating gardens on the sea.
Yes, and the light on the water is beautiful too.
I understand why people call Matsushima a scenic treasure.
This may be my favorite view of the day.
I want to remember this scene for a long time.
Let's stay a little longer and enjoy the breeze. The bay looks so calm in the evening light.
The sunset colors make the islands look even more beautiful.
How do I say "yuhi ga kirei" in English?
You can say, the sunset is beautiful.
The sunset is beautiful.
Excellent. That phrase is simple and expressive.
The water is turning gold and orange.
I love how quiet everything feels at this time of day.
It feels like the whole bay is slowly going to sleep.
This is the perfect ending to a beautiful afternoon.
I feel very grateful to see this view with you.
Let's head to the inn and relax tonight. This inn feels so calm and welcoming.
I love the tatami room and the peaceful evening atmosphere.
How do I say kutsurogemasu in English?
You can say, "I can relax here."
I can relax here.
Perfect. That is a natural phrase at a hotel or inn.
The room is quiet, and the night view is lovely.
Today was full of beautiful sights and useful English.
I am glad we had time to enjoy both the town and the bay.
Let's review the phrases together before we sleep.
Good idea. That will help me remember them better.
Then, let's begin our review. Let's review some useful English from our Matsushima trip.
The first phrase is, I have always wanted to visit.
That phrase is useful when you finally visit a place you dreamed about.
We also learned, it is a breathtaking view.
Yes. And we used, it has a peaceful atmosphere.
At the bridge, I practiced. I would like to cross it.
On the boat, we said, there are many islands.
At the restaurant, I asked, what do you recommend?
We also used, it has a relaxing atmosphere.
At the viewpoint, I said, it is an amazing view.
And in the evening, we practiced, the sunset is beautiful.
At the inn, I remembered, I can relax here.
These short phrases are simple, but very useful for travel.
I want to use them on my next trip too. Today, we enjoyed Matsushima and practiced many useful English phrases.
We visited Godaido, Zuiganji, the bay, the bridge, the viewpoint, and the inn.
I especially loved the view of the islands from the boat.
I loved the peaceful atmosphere and the beautiful evening colors.
Slow English is a great way to enjoy travel and study at the same time.
Please repeat the phrases again if you want more listening and speaking practice.
Thank you for joining us on this trip to Matsushima.
We hope this lesson helps you enjoy English with beautiful Japanese scenery.
Please like the video if you enjoyed it.
And please subscribe for more slow English travel lessons.
See you again in the next lesson.
Thank you very much for watching.